Local news for Friday the 15th of February. The Masterton District Council are reminding residents that we are under water restrictions. High usage is still occurring and there is the potential for the district's first ever watering ban if this dry weather continues. A huge weekend of events ahead for the region with the Masterton A&P show on tomorrow. The Ngawi Big Three fishing competition over 3 days begins today and thousands are expected for the drag racing at Masterton Motorplex with the Auckland Invasion and Group 1 National Series kicking off tomorrow. Public hearings on the notice of requirement for the proposed transport corridor over the Ruahine Ranges have been scheduled to begin on the 25th of March. The hearings, which have been scheduled by a panel of independent commissioners appointed by local councils, will be open to the public and run for about 3 weeks. And as of yesterday, the entire Wairarapa region is under a total fire ban. Fire permits are required for all types of fires except gas-operated appliances. And in softball, 3 senior teams at home this week with the Major Bs playing Johnsonville, the President's Cardinals and the Major B women take on Dodgers. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.